In this video, I'm going to share with you 9 websites that will help you make over $500 per day online. And this is not clickbait. This is literally 9 websites that, if you know what you're doing, you can earn over $500 per day online. And we're starting right now. What is up? My name is Chris. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to make money online, not just a little bit of money, but a lot of money, be sure to hit that subscribe button and tick the bell icon next to it so you don't miss anything. Now, of the websites that we are going over today, it does require knowing a little bit about what is called referral marketing. And if you need help with that, I do have a free guide over at benjisdad.com/guide. That's benjisdad.com/guide. Be sure to go check it out. I'll be sure to put a link down in the description. All right, so the number 9 website is ClickFunnels. Just like with any business, you need customers in order to make sales. And that's kind of what ClickFunnels helps you do. They help you bring in people so that you can convert them and grab their email address or phone numbers or what other type of information that you need so that you can continue to follow up with them and hopefully sell some products. So since this is kind of a necessary evil for anyone who's running an online business, a website like ClickFunnels really gives everyone what they need to get started online. But the best part about ClickFunnels is their affiliate program. They have an affiliate program there that will pay you a recurring payment for as long as your referral stays a member. And then like their cheapest product starts off at $97, and then one of their more expensive ones are close to $300. And you're actually going to get like a 40% commission just for referring these people. So you're asking, well, where does the $500 come in? Well, once you have 100 active referrals, they're going to actually cut you a $500 check per month so that you can go out there and lease your dream car. So if you like Tesla or Lamborghinis or whatever it is, you can use that $500 to go lease a car. But the great part about it is that you really don't have to do that. They're just going to send you the check and you can do whatever you want with that money. And then to take it a step further, if you have over 200 active refers, they're going to give you a check of over $1,000 per month, which is insane on top of the referral income you're going to already be getting from the month-to-month payments. The number 8 website that will make you over $500 per day online is Sandals Resorts. Yeah, that's Sandals Resorts, the one that has all of the all-inclusive resorts in these nice exotic islands. Well, those trips are rather pricey, between $5,000 and $10,000 on average. And Sandals Resorts will pay you a 4% commission on any sale that you may make. So that's anywhere from between $200 to $500 per sale that you are going to make. So you really just need to make 1 or 2 per day and you easily be able to bring in over $500 per day. In fact, their affiliate program boasts an EPC or earnings per click of over $137 per click, which means every click that you're going to get on average, you're going to make about $130. That's kind of mind-boggling, but it's 100% true, and you can take advantage of it for free by checking them out over at the Sandals Resorts affiliate program. The number 7 website is National Debt Relief. Now, National Debt Relief is one of those websites that gives you an opportunity to repair your credit. So debt consolidation and debt relief, those are really big businesses nowadays because people are always trying to fix their credit. In fact, they are so confident in turning their potentials into actual customers that they will actually pay you a CPA or a cost per action, meaning you don't even need to sell anything. You just need to get the contact information for those potential buyers. If you're able to get qualified leads to National Debt Consolidation, they will pay you $27 per lead. And if they're able to actually get someone onto the phone and have what they call a qualified call, which typically means having them stay on the phone for at least 3 to 4 minutes, you would get $41 per call. So just think about that. Not even selling anything. All you need to do is get the lead, get their contact information and forward it to National Debt Relief, and you're going to get $27 per lead or $41 per call. So with the amount that they are paying, you would easily be able to get somewhere around 9, 10, or even 11 or so leads per day, not sales, just leads, and you would easily eclipse $500 per day. The next website that can help you make over $500 per day would be WP Engine. Now, WP Engine's affiliate program is very, very good. In fact, one sale will get you a $200 commission. Just think about that, $200 just for selling one product. So the key is, as people's websites are growing, they are going to need higher and higher hosting in order to satisfy the amount of numbers that is coming in to their websites. So you can market to that particular niche of people, and you would only need to make about 2 or 3 sales per day in order to eclipse $500 per day. The number 5 place is DoTerra. Yes, DoTerra is that essential oils company that actually is a multi-level marketing company. And I'm not a real big fan of multi-level marketing companies, but there's something that DoTerra does that's different than any other multi-level marketing company that I've ever really seen. They kind of flip their commission structure on its head. Most MLM companies will pay you a higher percentage based on who's directly under you in your downline. So if you're here, the next level would be like 7%. The next level below that, you would end up earning like 5, and then 3, 2, and 1. Now, DoTerra does it backwards. For your first person in your downline, they'll give you 3%, and then 5%, and then 7 all the way down the line. So what this ends up doing is giving you more money in the long run simply by referring more people to the service. And you can see from the screenshot here, you might lose a little money with this structure early on, but once you get to the deeper levels of the multi-level marketing structure, you can end up making around $147,000 per month. Yes, $147,000 per month. It's a little insane and a little mind-boggling, but it's 100% realistic, and people are doing it all the time just with essential oils. So another website right there that if you know what you're doing, you can really kill it and make way more than $500 per day. The number 4 website is Kinsta. Kinsta, again, is similar to WP Engine, where it is a high-end web hosting platform. However, it's a little different than WP Engine because it does not depend on WordPress. Even though it does host WordPress sites, you can actually host whatever your site is coded by on Kinsta. This is a good affiliate program because they pay you anywhere from $50 to $500 per sale with their program. And then on top of that, they pay you a 10% commission month to month as long as people stay with that service. Now, typically with high-end services like that, people will go there and they'll stay there for years. And since these particular services are not cheap, we're talking anywhere between, maybe $70 or $80 per month just for web hosting. You're going to get 10% on each one that you refer month to month for as long as they remain a member. The number 3 website is everybody's favorite, ClickBank. Now, ClickBank is one of those huge websites for affiliates, but it is packed with a lot of scams. So I really would suggest that you do your research before you start promoting a product, especially if it's not really providing any value to your customers. But a lot of the programs over at ClickBank are very, very lucrative. A lot of them, again, have very many recurring payment type structures. So if you can take advantage of one of those, sometimes you can get recurring payments of $300 or $400 each just by selling the program once. A simple trick that I like to use when it comes to ClickBank offers, click on a particular niche and put everything in order based on gravity. This will tell you what is hot and what is selling right now, and you'll know if a product is converting or not. And then you can throw paid advertising or even free advertising at it so that you can start making that $500 per day with the products over at ClickBank. The number 2 best place is one of my personal favorites, Amazon.com. Now, Amazon, even though they notoriously pay very low commissions, anywhere from 2 to maybe 8%, Amazon is a conversion machine, meaning all you have to really do is get people to Amazon and you're going to make money. The great thing about the affiliate program there is the fact that you don't have to necessarily sell what it is you send people to Amazon for. If they buy anything within 24 hours of clicking the link on your website, then you are going to get a commission for it. For example, I had someone buy some diamond rings through Amazon.com, and I have never created a niche site ever that had anything to do with diamond rings, but I was able to get a commission for a sale for a diamond ring just because they clicked my link and then they went and bought it. Chances are it was like in their cart or something and they just hadn't bought it yet, but me sending them to Amazon jogged their memory, they decided to buy, and guess who got the commission? Amazon.com is one of the greatest places to start, and you can really make a ton of money on there, definitely over $500 per day if you are able to send enough traffic to the site. The number 1 website is buydomains.com. So the question might be, how can you make over $500 a day just by buying domains? Well, you're not really buying domains that don't exist. You're buying domains that already exist. It's just that most companies really want that name. So let's just say I own a business that's called Benji's Dad, but I haven't necessarily bought the domain name yet, benjisdad.com. What I could do is go benjisdad.net, benjisdad.org, but chances are you really want that .com. If someone has already purchased it, they can put it for sale over at buydomains.com and charge me like $1,000 or $2,000 just to buy it. But if I want it bad enough, I'll spend the money for it. And that's kind of the whole buy domains kind of feels, is it puts people in front of website names that have already been purchased, and then gives people like you or me the opportunity to buy those domains at a premium price. Now, you as the affiliate for buy domains can make over $175 per referral. So if someone goes there and buys a domain, you get $175. And all you would need to do is sell about 3 of those per day, and you're making over $500 per day. So hopefully you're still not skeptical about being able to make over $500 per day. Yes, that number is kind of mind-boggling, but with the internet, just by sending the right kind of traffic to these particular offers, you're going to end up making a pretty good chunk of change. If you want help on building your own referral marketing business online, be sure to go check out benjisdad.com/guide. That's benjisdad.com/guide. I have a free video there that will show you step by step how you can build your own referral marketing business online and get it to the point to where you're making over $500 per day. Be sure to go check it out. I'll be sure to put a link down in the description, benjisdad.com/guide. Now, if you have any websites that you can make over $500 or more per day, be sure to let me know down in the comments. Help everybody out so that we can all make money on this big thing that we call the internet. Be sure to smash that like button if you liked the video. If you didn't like it, you know what to do. Be sure to like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family so that others can make money online just like you. And if you want to make money online, not just a little bit of money, but a lot of money, be sure to hit that subscribe button that should pop up about right here. Check out the latest video on the channel, which should be about right there, and I will catch you all later.